Welcome back to Dilemmas Concepts. Today we're actually looking at a circle theorem question. So we only have two questions here. One, we want to find the value of x here, and then secondly, we're going to find the value of y. What angle are those? Now, let's focus on the x, right? Now, if we take a quick look, I'm going to highlight some things here. We're looking at the center, which is O, which means from O to A is a radius. Also, from O to B is a radius. And then you could see if we close this up, we're actually looking at a triangle. And not only that, we're actually looking at a very special triangle because the two radii will be the same. So OA is equal to OB. They are both what we call the radius of the same circle, which would have made this an isosceles triangle. So with the isosceles triangle, the two base angles are always equal. And what does that mean? That means that we definitely have 37 right here. Right? This angle will be the same as that one because they are across from those sides that are equal, right? And what we'll say most time, base angles are the same. So if I'm going to find x, remember the total interior angle of any triangle is always 180. So I'm going to add 37 to 37 and then take that from 180. So basically it's 180 minus, and this is going to give us 74, which means that this answer is actually 106 degrees. We have 106 degrees at x right there. And that's what x is equal to. All right, let us now focus on the other aspect, which is to find the value of the angle y. Let's take a look. Now, let's focus on this triangle. Again, O is the center, or what you say BOD is diameter. Now, if you go from B to C and D to C, then we actually have a triangle now. We're looking at that triangle. And not only that, because the point C is on the circumference, we are looking at an angle in a semicircle. And we're talking about the angle came from the end points of the diameter of the circle and they did converge on the circumference of the circle, which would have made this 90 degree. Now, the thing is, having that 90 degree is not the answer to the question though. So understanding that this is 90 is going to help us to put together to find the angle at y. Again, the total interior angle of any triangle is 180 degrees. So if I should add this 90 degrees to the 49 degrees, then it's going to be 180 minus 139. That is going to leave us with 41 degrees. So this angle at y is definitely 41 degrees. There you go. Thank you for watching Dilemmas Concepts, and I hope this helped you out. See you next time. Bye-bye.